Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're unlocking 5 proven ways to turn social media into serious cash.
But first, a major mindset shift. You've got to stop the endless scrolling and start actually creating.
Right? Ditch the passive consumption. Grab that phone, start filming, and become an active creator making money.
Okay, let's dive into our first income stream, getting paid directly by the social media platforms themselves. First up, YouTube AdSense. You literally earn a cut of the ad revenue from your videos and shorts. Second, TikTok Creator Rewards. Post highly engaging videos, build your audience, and TikTok pays you directly. Easy. Moving on to Stream 3, B2B deals. Connecting directly with companies totally unlocks massive earning potential. Imagine opening an email for an Instagram brand sponsorship. Companies pay you just to feature their products.
Our final category covers the last 2 streams, leveraging your audience for direct-to-consumer sales.
Stream 4 is affiliate marketing. Followers buy through your unique link and boom, you earn a commission. Finally, Stream 5, selling digital products. Create downloadable guides or courses and sell directly to your audience. Combining all 5 streams creates a super resilient portfolio. It's the ultimate way to build financial freedom. So, here's the blueprint. Stop scrolling, start filming, build that audience, and activate these revenue streams. Listen, the absolute best time to start is today. Don't wait around for the perfect moment. Seriously, what is stopping you from turning your phone into your very own digital business right now?